Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's afternoon right now in the UK. This is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today is Wednesday, so this is going to be like a week vlog. You guys, our wardrobe is finally here. I'm going to show you guys that when I'm done, you know, packing my clothes, I'm trying to arrange my own clothes. My husband has done his own. Like, you know, guys, they don't waste time when it comes to, you know, doing things. He has done his own. I'm still taking time to do mine. Obi is here. Do you want to say hi? Good. So guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maureen Achu. I'm a food, family, lifestyle vlogger. I'm a food vlogger because I love food, you guys. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's another vlog. So I just had a shower and I'm about to go do a little makeup on my face because we'll be going out right now to go get a phone for myself. You guys, yesterday, my precious phone, like this phone is so precious to me. I got it 2 years ago, 2019. Before I started my YouTube channel. It was one of the things that motivated me. Obi, stop. Stop. This phone was one of the reasons, sorry? Yeah? Oh my gosh, the baby is crying. I have to go carry him, you guys. No. No, it's alright. It's okay. Somebody's hungry. It's okay. Let's go. Come on. So guys, I had to come take Kenechuku, feed him, and I want to go upstairs and also change his outfit. Then I can do a little makeup if I find the chance to. But Kenechuku is still sleepy, so I think he was hungry. I'll change his diaper and change his outfit. So guys, yeah, I was saying that it has happened again. It has happened in the sense that I got this phone just 2 years ago, and I was hoping to use this phone for a long time. This is iPhone X Max X. I was hoping to use it for a very long time. In fact, I already told myself that I wasn't going to change my phone till the next 3 to 4 years, but it is exactly 2 years. Is it up to 2 years? Yeah, because this phone is one of the things that motivated me. Stop it, camera. Stop. That motivated me to start up my YouTube channel. I started up my YouTube channel. Like, I had made some videos and then my husband got me this phone. So it kind of really helped me. And this phone has a lot of capacity. I can store 15 videos in it, and then I'll be editing little by little until I'm done, and I can, you know, record as much as I want. I can't remember, I know the gigabyte, but I have to open this to check. It has a very long, very wide gigabyte, you know. So yeah, this phone cracked and I removed the screen guard. So when I removed the screen guard, I was just hoping that maybe whenever I get to the city center, I'll be able to fix another screen guard. I didn't know that I was encouraging it to get even, like, to get spoiled. So right now, this phone just went blank. Like yesterday, I wanted to upload my video, Obishe. I wanted to upload my video yesterday. I wanted to upload my video yesterday. Okay, so I wanted to upload my video yesterday, and my phone just went blank. So the screen is blank, and I know that to change the screen is really expensive. While I was there worrying, I was just worrying on what to do, thinking that okay, I might start using this phone, because this is the one I'm using now to record is my husband's phone. He just got a new one last month, and his phone is also iPhone X Max X, which he gave to Kaima. Just like, it's not even up to 3 weeks that he gave it to Kaima. So I was hoping to use this iPhone X Max X, his own, my husband's own. But when I called my husband, I told him, see what happened. He was like, don't worry, we're going to go get you another phone. So today we'll be going to get me another phone, and I'm really so excited. I'm happy that, because I was complaining about my camera, I have not even replaced my camera, that, you know, the lens got broken. I've not replaced the lens, and now this one happened. I was like, what am I going to do? And I have a lot of videos that I'm supposed to edit that are in this. Yes, Obi? Okay, I'm going to do it. Wait. Obi wants me to increase the volume of his cartoon. I'm going to do that. Wait. So yeah, I'll be going out. I'll carry you guys along. I'm going to carry you guys along this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be a part of my YouTube channel. And join my family. I'll be so excited to welcome you into this family. Obin already knows what I'm going to say. I'm going to say hello, guys. Welcome to Mommy's channel. Say welcome to Mommy's channel.
I know as well.
Oh, yeah, come and say now.
Welcome back to my Mommy's channel.
Nobody's seeing your face. Come and introduce yourself. So if you're new to my channel, this is my kitty little son. His name is Obinna. Achu. Come closer. Come closer. Come is yet to make her hair. Yeah, come and say your name. Come now, shy. Imagine you see my Kaima is shy. Kaima daddy is not always shy. as older she gets, I feel like the older she gets more shy. Kaima, I can't believe that this my daughter can be shy. Honestly, Kaima, are you shy?
Yeah.
No, it's not you. It's not you. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'll carry you guys along. So my daughter is now shy. Kaima, so you're now shy. Is that for real?
Yes.
I cannot believe that this girl will one day be shy. I cannot believe it.
But Mommy, what about Casey? He's the shyest.
Casey is a baby. Casey is just a baby. I can't believe that Kaima can be shy for one day. So
I'm gonna be up too as well. You yawning.
Welcome back, guys. I just couldn't make up. Like these days I don't get to find that time to sit down and start making up. So I, as much as used my lip gloss, I just used my lip gloss, and we are halfway to where we're going to, even though my husband stopped to check on something. We'll soon get to that place, and we'll buy what we want to buy and start going back home. So guys, this place is called ify'sworld. I wanted to hold the children, but they all want to be with their dad. So I think this is their biggest shop, and this is in Cribs Causeway. If you live in Bristol, this shop is in Cribs Causeway. There are lots of other shops around here. So yeah, we're going in now.
Mommy.
Cute too. Immediately. Wow.
Mommy. They even have phone TVs. Phone TVs are like TVs like that are shaped as flags. That's what we used to have in the old house.
Which one?
That.
LG. Yeah, that's true. Come on. So guys, we're here, but unfortunately the people that are in charge of selling phones, they've gone home, because this is past 7 o'clock in the evening and they usually close by 6, which we didn't know that. Meanwhile, this curry PC in this shop, it's a very big shop. Like, I think this is the biggest in Bristol. In this place, they close by 8 o'clock, but the people in charge of phones close by 6. So I think we're going to come back tomorrow. So what I'm going to do now is to use this very phone. This very phone is Kaima's iPhone X Max X that her dad gave to her, because her dad changed his phone, and my own is bad.
It used to be my dad's.
Yeah, it used to be her dad's, but she's not going to be making calls. She'll only use it to browse and, you know, watch her cartoons.
No, for you and Daddy, in case I get lost somewhere.
Exactly. And then she has my number and her dad's number only. That's the only number we want on this very phone. So I think I'm going to go home, use this very phone, put my SIM in it, and upload my video, because I really need to upload a video today, and then make some calls and catch up, because it's been 2 days now without a phone. So yeah, we'll come back here tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I just repaired my phone. I was just so impatient, I couldn't wait till, I feel like today is Monday. Actually, I've dropped off Kaima in school. This is Mr. Obi. I feel like Friday is just too much, because my husband said Tuesday or Friday, and I have a lot of videos to edit, I have videos to post. So I just came here, and I was so lucky that, you know, they charged me £80, because I was thinking it would have been more. So I just paid £80 and got it fixed by that young man, and I'm so happy. So I'll be going now. I'm so excited to have my phone back. The battery is down. You guys can see that the battery is down and it won't go off. So yeah, I'm going home now. See my son, God. The way this boy loves gospel, eh? Hey, we're listening to Osby Berry. A child and died to say. Oh my God, you guys need to see me. So will I. See you desire. You're the one who never leaves the one behind.
Dad.
He's obsessed with music, but he's a child, and I don't really want him to, you know, to lose his childhood. So no matter how much he loves gospel music, I still love to play cartoons for him, so that he can watch. As a baby, as a child that he is, he has played another gospel music. I have to put that off. Hey guys, so guys, right now that my house is very quiet, I just felt like, let me quickly show you guys this phone that my husband got for me. So today is what's today? Today is Wednesday. Yes, Kaima.
You know how to push this pin in?
Ah, Kaima, leave it. I'll come and do it. I'll say my house is quiet. Obi is sleeping, the baby is sleeping, and Kaima is just, you know, trying to do her own thing, getting ice cream for herself. The weather is damn so hot, you guys. And yeah, I want to quickly show you guys this phone. This is the phone my husband was able to get. The phone, he ordered for it and they brought it yesterday, so he gave it to me yesterday. This is the one I repaired at the city center, which is my old phone, iPhone X Max X. I changed the screen, and they also repaired the screen for me because the screen went blank. Kama got me some ice cream, which I'm eating. Let's remove it, so focus on the phone. So unbox with me, you guys. I think you got me some ice cream. Thank you for getting ice cream for me from the fridge. She got some ice cream for me from the fridge, and she's having her own. So yeah, this is iPhone 12, and this is my birthday gift. When my husband brought it yesterday, he was like, wish I was showing you guys my face while I'm making this video, but I'm sorry, I really can't right now. So my husband was like, since my birthday is this month, that this is my birthday gift. It came early, even though I wasn't even expecting a phone. I didn't even think of a phone, but he was like, okay, since your phone went blank, let him just get me this. So he got me this, and yesterday he told me it was my birthday gift. So you guys, my birthday gift came super early, like super early. and out of impatience I had to go and repair this phone, and I spent £80, which I'm not regretting, because to be honest, I love this my iPhone X Max. I love it so much. Sorry that it's dirty.
I can.
The screen is dirty. You want to help? Thank you, Kaima. Thank you, Kaima. So just today,
So much people touch.
so just today, it fell down and got cracked. I would have showed you guys, because I gave it to Obi, and I want to just stop. I want to see how I can stop giving my phone to Obi. So the screen cracked, but thank God it's the screen. And yeah, you guys take a look at my phone. Let's unbox it together. Hope I can actually unbox this phone with one hand. Cam, are you excited for mommy?
I wish I was a mom and I had the same gift as you.
Really?
I was a mom and I had the same 2 phones.
Oh, this is cute.
That mommy.
This is cute, guys.
Mommy. Since you have a new phone, will you give the broken glass one to me?
Why will I give it to you? You already have a phone. Why will I give it to you, Kaima? Did you guys hear what Kaima said? If I will give my iPhone 12 to her, guys, check out this my iPhone 12. Check it out.
It's not the iPhone 12.
Weather is hot, so by the time you touch it. Okay, so I'm just trying to put it on.
It's on. That's on the first day.
So I have my batteries here.
Like.
What do we have here?
Mommy, don't use to.
Okay, so this one is for opening the phone if I want to put my SIM. So this little pin here is a pin that will help me to. I'll use this to open my phone where I can put the SIM inside. I think I will turn it. I'll do that later. Emma, stop the noise, please. Thank you. And then I think that's all. That's all it came with. So this is the charger. I don't think it came with any other thing. No, this is all the way it came. So you guys, this is my iPhone 12. I'm so happy that I have this phone. Like, I'm so happy. It's a gift that I didn't expect that will come soon. I'm so excited. Behold my iPhone 12. So yeah, I'm using my iPhone 12 and I have my iPhone X Max X, and I can do without even a camera. I can do my job without even a camera. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Share, send a comment, and let me know what you think in the comment section. My birthday is coming. I need your prayers. And yes guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.